Hello friends, this is the third part of the learning design. As you know, I've covered with the concept, characteristics and importance of learning design in my previous lesson. Today I shall focus on the objectives and types of learning design. Let us straight away come to learning design. Look here. Learning design gives a proper direction to teaching. It is well understood. It also makes the lesson more systematic, purposeful and meaningful. Thus, it gives a scientific outlook. It also keeps the learner in the topmost priority. Therefore, it is always learner friendly. Now coming to this is it makes teacher more creative. So definitely when a teacher intends to prepare a learning design, he tries out ways and means as how best he can make use of the time and what are the things that he needs to incorporate so as to maximize learning among the students. So while preparing the learning design, he makes use of the different teaching aids. So we see that a creative teacher can also develop new techniques of teaching. Thus, while talking about the learning design, what we exactly understand is that the main objective is to break the monotony of the traditional classroom teaching. Let us proceed to the next, that is the types of learning design. It can be rule-based type, incident-based, strategy-based and role-based type of learning design. In the rule-based learning design, we should understand that basic rules and procedures are being adopted. They are required to be adopted for completing the task. It is only through the standard procedure and rules learning can be adopted. Let's proceed with the next. Incident-based learning design. In this case, we should understand that the learner is being exposed to the real life situation. He is made to participate in different kinds of activities. Now, while engaging and participating in the activities, what happens? The learner is able to reflect on it. That learner is able to take appropriate decision. I hope it is clear. Let us proceed further. Coming to this, strategy-based learning design. So what do we understand by the word strategy? Think over. Okay, you have thought about it? Let us see. Strategy implies an action plan. Okay, it is a plan of action, an action to achieve the goal. It is a decision as how to execute the action. In order to achieve the goal, what are the available means? What are the available resources? How he is going to obtain or achieve the end product. Okay, so for this he has to make some planning. So this is nothing but a strategy that he is adopting. So in this case, strategy based learning design, what do we understand? It is the decision making skill of the learner, the ability to draw conclusion. Clear? tackling and handling the situation. How he is going to tackle the situation, how he is going to go about it. And accordingly, he should diagnose the problem and draw conclusion. I hope it is clear. So for this, what the teacher has to do? The teacher has to assign certain tasks. Okay, wherein the students are made to involve, they are made to engaged. And while engaging in the different kind of tasks and the problem, they are made to reason out the solution. While doing so, the student, the learner will be able to sort out. They will be able to come up with certain solution to it. Coming to the role-based learning design, what do we understand? We can understand that the learners acquire the knowledge, understanding and skill through the assumption of roles within the real life setting. The design typically involves some purposeful and directed role play scenario, wherein the students are made to participate as a player. Okay, the teacher gives the students ample opportunities to be involved in the role play where the student can learn by engaging it in these sort of activities. I hope it is clear. Today, what did we see? We have learned about the different types of learning design and also the objectives of learning design. In the next class, I shall give you the format of learning design. This format will be based on the guideline, as I have already told you. It will be based on the guideline of our affiliating university.